Hey Cancer, welcome to my channel. Five of Swords. Okay. Four of Pentacles. Okay. Hmm. Bottom of the deck is Nine of Wands. This person sees you, but you don't trust them. You don't trust them, and that's the reason you're holding back from them, and that is some sort of mind game. The fact that you're holding back from them is because it's some mental tactics here. And that could be as simple as you don't trust them, or this could be as complicated as you are just someone who's playing mind games. So it's almost like this person is trying to figure out why are you holding back from them? Why aren't you opening up, or why aren't you trying to do anything here? That's what they're trying to understand. It's like this person is not really sure. They feel like at one time they feel like you don't trust them, that's the reason why you are not opening up to them, and another time this person feels like, oh, this is just a tactic to get them to submit, get them to do something, get them to act for first. So it's like, which one is it? Ten of Cups. Page of Cups. Okay. This person does have the desire to apologize to you, to communicate to you, talk to you. They do have that desire with the Page of Cups here. They still have feelings for you with the Page of Cups and Ten of Cups. But at the same time, this person could be waiting for you to do something as well. So it's like, yeah, I have plans to reach out, I have plans to approach Cancer, but at the same time, I'm waiting to see if Cancer does something first. And why is Cancer not doing anything? Does Cancer really not trust me at all? Or is it just some mind games this Cancer is playing here? This person, for some of them, getting like this person themselves have some severe trust issues, and they're projecting that stuff on you. They're just projecting their own trust issues on you. Ace of Cups at the bottom of the deck. Yeah, see, they have feelings. They have feelings. They have love. They still care. But what if you don't care? What if all of this is just a game to you? What if you are playing some mind games because you want them to do something? You want them to confess just for you to reject them then? King of Pentacles. Hmm. There's a stubbornness with the King of Pentacles, wanting to be sure of something before they do anything, before they take any action, wanting to be sure about it. Oh no. Death at the bottom of the deck, Scorpio energy, Tower, the Death card, Hermit, Strength, Emperor, World, so many major arcanas, and the Ace of Pentacles. One, two, three, four, five major arcanas. Could be dealing with fixed signs, Taurus, Scorpio, Leo, Aquarius, Aries, Virgo. Hmm. You're causing some sort of, or you have caused some sort of transformation within this person. They're definitely doing some soul searching with the Hermit and Death. That Tower card does talk about a rude awakening. So this person very well could be going through a Tower, Hermit, and Death is someone going through a rude awakening here. They're going through an awakening. They were going through a rude awakening. For some of you, their ego has been shattered as well here. With the Tower and the Emperor being here, their ego has been shattered. And it's like this is the Empress on the Strength cards. The Emperor, Empress, and the World, there's a lot of distance between the both of you. And yeah, yes, there could have been a standoff game between the both of you, like who's going to approach first, who is going to do something first, who's going to make the first move, who's going to apologize, initiate communication, who's going to do it first. And because you're not doing anything, you're holding back, this person can think whatever they want about you. But the fact that you're not doing anything is not really sitting well with this person's ego. There's this potential here with the Ace of Pentacles. And this person can still see the potential. We did see the Ace of Cups, and now we have the Ace of Pentacles as well. So they can still see the potential. The Queen of Wands is very much the black cat energy. The Queen of Wands is someone who's not going to chase, who's not going to, it's like not really submitting to what they want you to do. That's what this Queen of Wands feels like. Because again, that's a very black cat energy. That's a very I cannot be controlled kind of energy, the Queen of Wands. Somewhere, this person does want to have the upper hand. They do want to be in control, but you're not letting that person have that control. And again, they are thinking that this is like you are playing some sort of mind games. It's very possible you're not playing any mind games. You simply refuse to be controlled. That's all you're doing. You're refusing to be controlled here by this person. You're refusing to play some sort of power dynamic, play into this. You are refusing to do that. The distance is bothering this person here. It's almost like this emperor really looks very angry with the red and the orange. He looks really angry, or there's a lot of like someone is suppressing that anger, suppressing that frustration of you really not doing anything. They're trying to suppress all of that, but it's very possible this person isn't really like with as time passing, with each passing day, this person is unable to really hide their anger, their frustration, their resentment. They're unable to hide that. It's slowly coming to the surface. This person could be having emotional outbursts as well. And that emotional outburst is happening through like them getting angry on someone, them acting out, taking out their anger on someone who didn't do anything. For some of you, also with the Tower card here, it's like they don't like how you have disrupted. For some of you, this person does feel you have managed to disrupt their life as well. With the King of Pentacles and the Emperor, this very well could be someone who is not expressive. People come to them, they don't go to anyone. That's the kind of ego this person has. This could be a boss for some of you. This could be someone who has their own business, who has their own money. They definitely have ego with the King of Pentacles and the Emperor. But yeah, this person does have that attitude of, you have to come to me. I'm not going towards you. People come to me. I don't go towards someone. That's the kind of confidence or ego this person has. And you have, again, the Queen of Wands doesn't chase, doesn't perform, doesn't do anything. The Queen of Wands is not the kind of person who has this desire to be loved or chosen over their self-respect. That's not who the Queen of Wands is. The Queen of Wands will choose the self-respect, choose themselves over their desire to be loved or chosen. And that's what you are showing to this person. You're literally showing this person your self-respect is always going to be you are going to be your priority. And that has caused a huge disruption in this person's life, in their mind as well, with the Tower card. The Moon, Pisces, Cancer energy. You could be dealing with another Cancer. Ten of Swords in reverse. You're healing from the situation. Justice here. Yeah, you're standing your ground. The Queen of Wands, Justice. It's like I choose myself. I choose myself. That's what this is. Yeah, the High Priestess. Could be dealing with the Pisces. But Justice and the High Priestess. For some of you, you are pissed at this person as well. It's like with the Justice and the High Priestess being here, it's like, I know the truth and I know I shouldn't be really giving into this. I'm not going to let you have the upper hand or try to control me. And for some of you, it's not about you having the upper hand. It's simply you are refusing to play into these power dynamics. Like, why does anyone need to have the upper hand in this dynamic? Why can't we just be equals? This person has definitely not dealt with someone who is like, you're a very sovereign being. And this person has not really dealt with people, definitely not dealt with the feminine energy being so sovereign. Or if this is like, they have not dated, they have not been in a connection with someone who is this sovereign. They're so independent, they are so focused on their self, not willing to compromise. Really, this person, it's almost like this person expects people to adjust for them, compromise for them, and you're literally refusing to do that. With the Justice and the High Priestess being here, Ten of Swords in reverse is you healing from the situation. And yeah, with the Moon card, you don't trust this person for some of you. See, we did see the Ace of Cups and the Ace of Pentacles, and now we have the Ace of Wands. Seven of Swords in reverse. Their usual tactics won't work on you. Queen of Pentacles. So we have the King of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles here. You could be dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. But Ace of Wands, Seven of Swords in reverse, and the Queen of Pentacles is someone seeing you as a match. And yeah, Seven of Swords in reverse is this person recognizing that their usual techniques, tactics, tricks really wouldn't work on you. They shouldn't be even trying to do something like that. They're very attracted to you. Queen of Wands, Ace of Wands is someone being very attracted. It's like you being silent, you standing strong, you not budging, you being very much in this black cat energy, 1616, is making this person feel like you are someone they have to conquer. You are a challenge to this person. And since we do have the King of Pentacles and we did see the Emperor card as well, the Emperor and the King of Pentacles is someone who likes a challenge. No one has ever challenged this person to change, to do things differently. Queen of Cups, Magician, Five of Cups, Nine of Cups, Two of Cups, the Fool. They want to get past whatever disappointment that has already been in this connection. There definitely has been disappointments in this connection. And what this person truly wants is to get past this disappointment. As I said, with the Page of Cups, they do plan to do something, but it's still someone who's buying time, hoping that maybe you do something. They're still waiting and hoping that you would do something, Cancer would do something, so that they don't have to, so that they can still protect their ego. Lovers, Nine of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, Nine of... There's that Ace of Cups again. Also the King of Wands. So we have the Queen of Wands and King of Wands. Could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini. Sun, Leo. I think clarify something. Five of Wands, Knight of Wands, Empress, Page of Pentacles. It's like someone who refuses to give up, Nine of Cups. They're not giving up. This person is not someone who's giving up, but at the same time, they're not, as I said, they are still holding back and hoping that you do something. They're really hoping that you would do something so that they don't have to. So they're still waiting. For some of you, this person is definitely still waiting. Knight of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, Eight of Cups, Five of Cups, Eight of Wands. Yeah, see, that It's like the communication card is there, but it's hiding behind all of this. So for some of you, this person is going to wait some more. They're waiting to see if you do something. They are also trying to create this impression that this is over. They want you to think this is over, so that you come rushing in, you do something impulsively, you react in a certain way. They're still hoping and waiting for a reaction. They're still hoping and waiting for something impulsive. What if you do break under the silence? Because they're really hoping you do break under the silence. But don't think you are going to. And that's the reason the Five of Cups is here. They're going to be disappointed that you're not going to break and give in. That's you. So your advice here is to focus on yourself. With the Two of Wands, Ace of Swords, and the Chariot, you definitely have other projects, other things in your life that you need to focus on, with the Two of Wands being here. It's not like this is the only thing in your life that requires your attention. So whatever else requires attention, focus on that. And that is you. Focus on yourself. King of Cups. The more emotionally grounded you are, the more it's going to move things fast. 22, as I said that. Also, a lot of pairing came out. King of Wands, Queen of Wands, King of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, the Queen of Cups, King of Cups being here. Only the King of Swords, King and Queen of Swords is missing. Excuse me. Those are too many. Yeah, bottom of the deck is second chance, cutting down, healthy choices. Yeah, silent treatment. Self-love and self-care, being happy, emotionally grounded. That's what I said. And focusing on yourself, Chariot card. Mm. We do have second chances. Where did it go? Second chances and beginnings here, starting over, new direction. So this energy is still here. Healing. Yeah. Expressing love, thinking of you. And this is the first card that came out, mask. Yeah, they're hiding the true feelings. They're pretending to leave, to walk away, to not care. This person is definitely wondering if you are going to start seeing someone new. If you do have someone new. No other compares to you. I'm not going to take that. I'm moving on with my life. Yeah. This person wants you to believe they are moving on. If they can prove to you, if they can show you that they are moving on, then you might impulsively do something. I'm always here for you. It's like they want this sort of a validation from you. They want you to show them love and care. I have to deal with my pain to be able to open my heart to love again. Okay. Maybe they are carrying emotional baggage from past relationships and connections and are projecting it onto this one. The universe is fighting for our souls to be together. I hope to have a future with you one day. That's the Ten of Cups. The way I've treated you was wrong. I don't take these cards in reversal, so yeah. Well, that's your reading, Cancer. I hope you found some clarity through this reading. I'll see you guys in your next reading. Until then, take care, guys. Bye bye.